Buying cheap is not less economical. Why? When you do your job, one of your protective gloves breaks before the other. If you check the waste, you'll be surprised how many gloves are pulled out and are just dirty. Money is thrown in the rubbish. If you're working with a pair and only one breaks, why change the pair? You will only change the broken glove, one by one. The broken, buy the new. Broken, buy new. Always one for one. At MAFEPE, we have 70 different models of gloves for both hands and with the possibility of combining them with each other. It's necessary to check the garbage. With 1T and Euro, less is destroyed. You save more than 30% of the investment and protect the environment. Technicians in prevention, production and purchasing, the 1T strategy is effective and profitable, implementing the system glove by glove. Take action and benefit from our experience. The 1T concept is compatible with vending machines. With MAFEPE, good results are overcome.